Hello and welcome to Edison TV. Today we are with Edison's partner, the Aquis Exchange, one of only two listed exchanges in the UK. Today we're joined by David Stevens, Aquis's Chief Executive Officer. David, many thanks for joining me today.
Delighted to be here.
And we're here celebrating Aquis's Classes 2025. Can you discuss the year and how did 2025 go?
2025 was a year of change for Aquis, but for the stock exchange, it was very successful. Despite tough market conditions, we traded 1.5 billion, which was a record. We raised over 300 million pounds, which was a record. And we had 12 IPOs. And the IPOs were in a diverse range of sectors, with quite a large concentration in sort of new economies, new sectors of the economy.
Great. And do you feel, in terms of the overall offering, do you feel you're building momentum there?
Yeah, definitely. We're continually trying to innovate, continually trying to make the IPO process more effective, continually trying to provide more services to the companies that are on our exchange. And the Edison partnership, for example, is just an example of that. We're working with Edison. We're trying to provide access to a research offering which is appropriate for the companies given where they are in their development.
And last year was obviously a momentous year for the exchange and to the extent of the SIX acquisition. Yeah. Can you discuss that and how has that changed the picture?
I think it's been uniformly positive. All areas of our business, we've got three different businesses. We've got our trading business, we have our technology business, and we have the stock exchange. And I think in all areas of this business, coming under the SIX umbrella has been very positive for us because we're part of a bigger group. We've got bigger clout in the markets, if you like. And but yeah, we've managed to retain our sort of agility, our challenger mindset. And from a staff perspective, we've grown a lot, but we've retained what was quite a unique culture.
Interesting. So a stronger platform, but retaining that entrepreneurial culture on top.
And that's a challenge because when you grow, we've almost doubled in size. We've taken a lot of new business. So there have been changes, but we've managed to maintain the ability to challenge the status quo, which is what we do day by day in the Aquis Stock Exchange, and try and make things more effective and efficient for our investee companies.
And looking ahead to 2026, what's in store looking forward for this year?
Lots of plans for 26. So we're not resting on our laurels. We've got a big workload currently, but plans 26 are, one, we are launching the Aquis IPO Academy in conjunction with Barclays Eagle Labs. And two, working alongside SIX, both in Switzerland and in Spain, we're looking at the possibilities of a pan-European growth market. So, potentially big changes for us, but continuing that sort of ethos of challenging and trying to disrupt things.
Interesting to see that international platform.
Yeah.
David, many thanks for your time today.
Thank you.